Hello all again. Right, I'm going to start getting this sorted now. So I've got to put a batten across here to do the top, along the top here, and then I can start getting the other battens that way. So what I'll do is I'll measure this up. Just check that again. 180. 2.5, 180 and a half. Okay, so now what I need to do, so when I knock this outbuilding down, I'll have another post here on the other end which will support up, but for now I'm just going to put a piece of 4x2 in, secure it to the wall, which will hold that piece then. That's the idea and that's the plan, so we'll go with that. Framework all done. These are just supports for now until this is down and I can make that. So what I'm going to do now that's done, I'm going to go up on the roof. I'm going to take this OSB off, get all this off, so I'll get all this off, put my new 4x3s in, and then what I can do then, I've had another change of plan. So now instead of putting roof felt and corrugated sheeting, it's now going to be metal sheeting, metal corrugated all the way, all over the whole roof with like the protected membrane, breathable roof felt. So it'll be solid, I'll never have to change it again. And then for underneath here for the fish, they're going to get a LED light or a couple of LED lights, see how it goes, see how the plants go. If it works, great. If it doesn't, then I'm going to have to think of something else. But at the moment I want the fish covered up, don't want rainwater going in the pond, so that's where we're at. So I'll show you the metal sheets that's going on. These are the sheets going on, nice and thick. So I'm going to crack on, I'm going to get up there, get this off, and the next time you see this, it'll have no roof. Just hope the rain stays off. Catch you soon. Bye bye. And just like that, we have daylight. What I'll do now is I'm going to get, let me turn it around again so you don't look at me. I'm going to get a 3x2 from there right the way up to the front, and another one round about here, right the way down to the back. And this light will eventually drop and come here, so I'm not affecting any of these electrics here. You see I've got a beam here which will protect, and then another one there and another one there. Bit overboard, but we'll go with that. It's getting exciting now. Roof battens on, I'm going to turn you around. So roof battens on, these are the new ones on here and there. So what I'm going to do now, along here, I'm going to put my 2x1 roof batten on, and then I'm going to put my felt on, then my roof battens, and then I can start getting my metal cladding on then. So we'll be good. I'll get back to you once I've got that felt on there, and we'll go from there. Felt on. I'm just going to put my battens on now, and then so I'll get my metal sheets on. Back to it in a second. So we're doing well. I'll show you. Turn around, let you have a look. Okay. So we've got 3 layers of the roof felt on for the roof breathable membrane. And what I'm going to do now, as you can see, what I'm going to do now is put one of the metal sheets on. Pre-drill the holes, get one of them screwed down. So then I'm not juggling and balancing on that OSB board. Once I've got one metal piece in, I'll have the metal piece in front of me and then I can walk along and that'll be what support me then. So what I'll do, I'm not here to show you how to shut eggs. I'll get a piece on. When I start the next layer, I'll take the camera up there and I'll show you what how I'm actually screwing the sheets down. So I'll catch you in a bit. It's getting exciting. I'll let you have a little look. Under here. It's obviously 2 locks on. Oh, it's going to be mint. I'm actually really happy with it now. It's hard work. I busted a gut, but it's going to be worth it. So now it's evening. We've got the back end of the roof on, so we're all watertight. And what I've done, I've just stuck a tarpaulin on. I'll get these bottom bits done tomorrow. So the only thing is, these sheets here are 8 foot. So because I've got my piece of 4x2 at the front and I've got a nice overhang at the back, I'm not going to be able to cut them in half. So I'll just get a couple more sheets, it's no biggie. They're £14 a sheet, but I want to do it right. Once it's on, it's done, it's never going to come off. And the finish where the outbuilding is, oh, it just finishes lovely. So then when the outbuilding comes down, extend and I'll just carry on with my sheets. It's going to look great. Before I go, what I'm going to do is get myself in my hot tub and I'll finish that tomorrow.
If it's not playing with fish, he's being a fish.
I need some bubbles. Oh, heaven. Oh, fancy seeing you lot here. It's not all building, you know, and playing with fish. Said, I am a fish by night. Bye for now. So it's the next day after having a little soak in my hot tub. I'll show you where we're up to. So the roof felt's all on now. I've just got my last piece to do. I'll show you now. All the way along. And then we're watertight. So I've cut 6 of my galvanised sheets, got 1 more to cut. I'll just show you how I'm measuring it and cutting it. So I'm cutting them 5 foot lengths and I'm cutting them with my angle grinder. So I'll just pop you there for a minute. I'll measure this up. PB comes to play. do now is I'll get it all PP'd up. And I'll get this cut. Cordless angle grinder. Good evening. Believe it or not, it's done and watertight. I'm sorry I couldn't show you as much as I wanted to show you doing the bits, but like I said, I'm not here to tell you how to cook eggs, but I'll give you a quick look. Let's just get you up there. There we go, I have had to join this piece here temporarily so I can get another piece, and then down here just needs a bit of flashing, and then once this outbuilding goes I can just take the full row of this off and then add a new one. So that's it all done. Let's give it a look underneath. I don't know whether to fill these back bits in or let some natural light through. I'm not too sure. Shows in the front of the house. That's it all done in here. All watertight. So, said all watertight now, just got to give everywhere to clean up, get everywhere cleaned up, get it looking nice, get it all hoovered, and then think about doing the PVC cladding up on all this roof, and then it just looks nicer from the inside then. So that's it, fish looking okay, don't seem too bothered by it all. Right, so I'll get some cleaning up done and then I'll be back with you. Okay, all this cleaned up, all this mess, all this. Give it a good old clean. And then what I want to do, the OSB I was going to use for the roof, I'm now going to go and I'm going to clad in here, on there, and on there, just to make it look like a bit of a shed. So I know I was talking about taking it down, but I changed my mind now. I'm going to keep it, because I don't really want to be out there, sitting out there listening to them air pumps, which you can probably hear now. So it's exciting times. I'm really made up with this. Once it's all clean and that, it'll be nice. I'll get back to you soon. So you've seen it here live. Hoover packed up. What is it? Oh well. all these vents in as well, because I think they're bringing all the nets. While I'm cleaning up, I'll give this Nexus a clean. So for all those nuts, see them all everywhere. They're just like living there. Come on, get me. I've got some apple cider vinegar with fair liquid, and we're going to see if it gets rid of all these. So I've just got to find a spot to put it on and see how it goes. So let's put it on there, and then we'll see if it gets rid of all that. It's still clean, it's a bit manky really. Probably knows that stuff that's fell off the roof. Gone in there as well. It's all clean. All sorted. Oh, hope you've enjoyed the video. I haven't showed you every little step-by-step bit. Most of it probably my anxiety of worried about getting it finished. It's all watertight now, and like I said, next job is to get the PVC sealing done, get the electrics done so I can get my LED light to work, which is that one there, and then it should be good to go. So if you've liked the video, please comment, let me know anything that you think I could do, i.e. these vents at the top, if you think I should block them in. If you're new here and you like me video content, please consider subscribing. It's free and it helps me grow my channel. Thank you very much. Until next time, bye bye.